everyone, welcome to IEI video channel. I'm Product Manager for IEI. Today, I will introduce the industrial panel PC with AFL3-W15A-AL PD module for you. That's very pretty good, right? To the future, to the market. We'll be friendly to our customer. Wow, it's very amazing. Because of sometimes the customer will have the following problem. 1. Addition mode power socket is not possible. 2. The power socket can only be changed in tiny design, and the missing cable made it had to be organized. Power adapter are anything, and no promotes the tablets, but don't overdo everything. Because the IEI released a new product, the AFL3 series, and the provide AFL3-W15A-AL the BT module to the stack. Will be simplify your cable management and the wall socket. As you can see, this is a 50.6-inch panel PC. Let's say the hardware feature. Front panel support 10-point P cable touchscreen with the AG coating and UV together, IP64 waterproof and release. And we even have a 200 million pixel camera in addition to microphone to the inside. The motherboard design based on the Intel operator processor, promotes then to battery first, M.2 key for storage, A key for the wireless module. About the backward I/O, GB with a PoE pros, but standard only GB signal. The PoE PD module for optional is there. AFL3 PD BT01 support AFL3-W15A-AL BT standard. Receiver power up to 71 watt to 91 watt. That is very friendly to a customer because also have a non-standard to the market. For example, the Cisco UPoE and the POH from HD Best is very inconvenient to a user because the user need to confirm the PSE sent to the PD again and again, sent to the protocol. It's not good choice. So PoE BT module and the BT standard in this time is very important. And we have DC input, HDMI, and the RJ45 connector to a DB9. The DB9 controls USB 2, GB ports, USB 3, and night out. We also have a finished design and 2 speakers in this one. So AFL3 just only remove 3 screws. We take to do the install, the module, more storage, very easy to our customer. Okay, summarize the key feature. The operating platform is high performance processor, and the P cable touch screen, IP64 waterproof. The rich I/O and the digital microphone and the camera, we also provide the PoE BT module to the user. If you want to know more about the AFL3, the product, you can visit the IEI official website and contact us. You can also follow IEI's or other social media accounts to get the last product information and the company news. Don't miss the provide on every Monday at 8 AM. Welcome to connect and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.